Hello and welcome to the app. Wherever you are on your health and wellness journey, this app is going to help guide and motivate you every step of the way. This first screen is your dash. This is where you can quickly get a bird's eye view of your progress, daily goals, and achievements. You'll also notice 5 tabs along the bottom of the screen. Use these to easily toggle between the dash, plans, calendar, messages, and more tab. The plans tab is where you'll be able to track your goals, view your meal plans, and your training plans. Goals allow you to track things like your daily caloric intake, macro splits, and your water intake. In your busy life, these are numbers that you might lose track of throughout the day, but now you can keep all of this information neatly in one place. To track your goals, click on the 3-dot hamburger menu and update its progress. Meal plans are another feature that you will love having easy access to. Simply tap on your meal plan to see the nutrition plan that your trainer has provided for you. When you're out grocery shopping or while you're cooking, you can easily pull up this tab to find what you need in seconds. If you don't have a meal plan, ask your trainer about adding on nutrition coaching. Your training plans will also be easily accessible from this tab. Your training plan has a set duration and includes a collection of workouts. To view a workout, simply tap on it and you'll be able to see each exercise you need to complete, including its type, number of reps, or duration. To see a video of each exercise, just click on it to learn the proper form and hear tips on how it's done. Now, let's tap on the calendar tab to see how all of these workouts will fit into your daily schedule. Your calendar is where you can see all of your scheduled and completed activities over time. Depending on your trainer, either your workouts will be scheduled for you or you can easily schedule them yourself. Tap on the plus sign to schedule a workout from your training plan, activity, or body stat measurement for today. You also have the option to tap on any of the calendar days to schedule an activity in the future. Up at the top of the screen, you can also change the date. As you complete events, they'll show up in your calendar as completed. The next tab is messaging, and this is a really helpful feature that you'll love using. If you and your trainer have two-way messaging, you can send photos, files, and video chat. Messages are a really easy way to keep in touch with your trainer and interact throughout your day-to-day. Use messaging to quickly ask questions with your trainer, share your meal photos, or give updates on your progress. The whole goal is to better connect with your trainer. This is also where you can chat with any groups that you're included in. Simply tap on a group icon and you can chat with other members of your online community. Getting started with the app is really easy, but the best way to learn more is to take a look for yourself. If you have any further questions, reach out to your trainer and they should be able to guide you further. Happy training!